Companies are spending millions on AI tools. But while everyone's rushing to add AI to their job titles and implement tools, industry data reveals something disturbing. The vast majority of companies are missing the most critical component of AI success. Using latest research and real-world examples, we'll explore the missing link in most AI training programs and why current approaches are setting teams up for failure. But first, let me show you why most people are thinking about this completely wrong. Look, there's always new digital tech. Things are always changing. It's really crazy right now with generative AI. It feels like everyone and their mum and their grandmother and their cat are AI strategists all of a sudden. Everyone is advising everyone. Everyone has the word AI in their job title. It's a crazy maze at the moment in time. One thing that is clear to me, and we see this backed up in the data here by Boston Consulting Group, is that everyone's using these tools in some way, but they don't know how to use it. That is the key thing about being intelligent here. And we can see, as it says here, that leaders know they want the workforce to have AI skills, and they can see that here. They know it creates value from studies that are out there. It can in many different contexts, but the vast majority of people have yet to start AI upskilling. That is crazy to me. They're like 2.5 years into this, and there is still not an intelligent approach to building out frameworks to help people develop the skills, the behaviors, and the mindset for this. In terms of building these skills, you're not alone in your organization. This is more of a change and behavior project, not just a training project to help people use tools. So in sum for this, yes, people are using these tools. Are they using them intelligently? Probably not. What can you do in 2025? Invest time and resources to build programs to intelligently help people use these tools. Build the behaviors, build the mindsets, give people the skills so they can understand the why, the what, and how of using generative AI technologies. Of course, loads more to say on that. Loads of stuff that I've already got on LinkedIn, on my newsletter that you can find on that as well. Context is everything in this. People's use of AI and where they find value in generative AI is going to be different depending upon their context and their culture. So for most people, boring and basic stuff is quite sexy. Responding to emails, helping to structure stuff, assimilating basic information. Not everyone needs to be using these tools to make X amount of money or build teams or automate these things. Actually, just working on the boring and basic stuff that can help people with time, and at the end of the day, you can make more money, you cannot buy more time, is a huge ROI. If someone can say to you, I can give you back 5 to 8 hours a week to enable you to go do more human stuff, spend time with your family, do better things at work, you're going to do that. You don't need to be doing these kind of grandiose things all the time. So just keep that in mind with use cases. And as I've mentioned so many times before, and I share this chart probably 1,000 times this year, is that potential is huge for this tech, like with most tech, but in an organizational standpoint, it will take years for it to get to a level of maturity where people see useful use cases, where they see good case studies, where they see actual return on investment in terms of time saved from resource, more money made. All these things take time. There are little things, there are outliers, but those kind of big components, it will take time. But again, ROI, all contextual depending upon who you are and the organization that you're in.